I don't believe that Mona locked up. Yeah, I don't think it's her. Tell her if she can get it to a shop with that tester, or either get Bear or somebody to come out there and test it. You know, put that test on, and you can tell exactly what's wrong with it.
All right, move it around, bro. Don't throw him over here, dude. Wait a minute, man.
It's right here. I'm running.
No, man.
Don't throw on me, dude. Hey, I can't move. Do it again. Just put that in front of him. Put that in front of him. Flip him over now. There you go. Yeah. Okay, hold him. Don't kill him. He's striking, too.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah.
That sucker's striking, too. Oh, he's striking, too. Yeah, he's full of paws. I'm going to catch him. Look at it. You see it?
Yeah.
Brian, put the shovel over that way. You see it? You see it?
Y'all playing with like a little kid. That lady don't want that thing to go in her house. Kill it.
No, don't kill it. Hold on.